Write JLR RFA data to new SPC560 chip without soldering using Keydiy KD-X4. Hi everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Bobji Motors, your ultimate hub for all things automobile diagnostics and key programming. Now, before we dive into today's content, here's a quick but important heads up. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Everything you see here is meant to guide technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts. We follow fair use guidelines. Images, references, and demos are for education only, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always make sure to follow manufacturer instructions and local laws when working on vehicles. All right, now let me ask you this. Have you ever struggled with writing JLR RFA initialization data to a new SPC chip without dealing with messy soldering? If so, you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it effortlessly using the Keydiy KD-X4 and the brand new SPC560 chip programming socket. And before we go any further, I have a small challenge for you. Can we hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours? And while you're at it, don't forget to hype this video using the comments section. It's a fun and free way to push our video up the charts. Now, let's jump straight into the tools you'll need for this process. Keydiy KD-X4 Key Programmer. Keydiy JLR SPC560 Chip Programming Socket. A blank JLR SPC560 chip. Your mobile phone. ODG adapter. Here's the scenario. When working with the latest Land Rover and Jaguar smart key systems like K8D2, JPLA, J9C3, or M9 or 3, you often need to replace the RFA module or chip. Traditionally, this involved tedious soldering directly on the KVM or RFA module. But thanks to the new Keydiy SPC programming socket, soldering is no longer necessary. All you have to do is place the chip into the socket, and the programmer takes care of the rest. Step 1. Align the chip correctly. Make sure that pin 1 on your SPC560 chip matches the 0-1 position on the socket. Proper alignment is crucial for successful programming. Once it's positioned correctly, simply close the lid of the programming socket. Next, connect the programming socket to your KD-X4 key programmer, and then connect your KD-X4 to your mobile phone using the ODG adapter. Once everything is connected, open the Keydiy app on your phone. In the app, navigate to Immo Programming, then select Write File, and choose Write JTAG, SPC560 chip. The app contains all the necessary initialization data for the RFA module. At this point, you'll need to select the correct RFA immobilizer version corresponding to the chip you are programming. Then proceed to write the initialization data directly to the SPC560 chip. This process programs the chip without any soldering hassle, saving you time and reducing the risk of damage. Once the initialization data has been successfully written, you can then solder the chip onto the RFA module, reinstall the module back into the vehicle, and continue with any remaining operations. And that's it. The new RFA module is fully initialized, ready to work flawlessly with your Jaguar or Land Rover keyless go system. Thanks for staying with me till the end. A massive shout out to all my regular viewers and subscribers. You're the reason Bobji Motors keeps growing. If you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. It's free, but makes a huge difference for the channel. Remember our challenge, 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within 24 hours. Drop your thoughts, questions, or just hype this video in the comments to help us climb the leaderboard. And if you really enjoyed this tutorial, consider showing some love with a super thanks. So, the answer to our intro question is clear. Yes, you can write JLR RFA initialization data to a new SPC560 chip without soldering, using the Keydiy KD-X4 and the dedicated chip socket. Personally, I think this is a game changer for anyone dealing with Jaguar or Land Rover key programming. It's fast, clean, and super reliable. Here's a fun tip for you. Always double-check the pin 1 orientation when inserting chips into any programming socket. Misalignment is the #1 reason programming fails. It's a simple step, but it saves a lot of headaches. All right, that's it for today. Keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype this video to support Bobji Motors. Let's smash that 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments target together. See you in the next video.